Hello everyone. Today is your first day of Korean homestay. Before we begin our conversation, I would like to introduce some helpful Korean language rules. Verb or adjective combine.
서,
When this character is added after a verb or an adjective, it can be translated into because or so in English.
오래 걸어서 피곤해요. 오래 걸어서 피곤해요. 슬퍼서 눈물이 나요. 슬퍼서 눈물이 나요.
Let's start our conversation with your Korean homestay host now. Hello.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Informal or casual form.
안녕. 안녕.
Welcome.
어서 오세요. 어서 오세요. 어서.
This Korean word has two meanings. The first meaning is welcome, and the second meaning is hurry up or be quick. Let's try an example. When visiting a restaurant or someone visits your home, this is a greeting used to welcome them.
어서 오세요. 어서 오세요.
The second meaning is hurry up or be quick. Hurry up, we will be late.
늦겠다 어서 일어나. 늦겠다 어서 일어나.
Nice to meet you.
만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요.
Verb combine.
서,
Me too.
저도요. 저도요.
Formal speech.
저,
Informal speech.
나, 도,
Means also. What's your name?
이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? 이.
This Korean particle is a topic marker that indicates the topic of the sentence. It is attached to a noun or pronoun and is placed after a letter with a final consonant. My name is Michael.
제 이름은 마이클이에요. 제 이름은 마이클이에요.
은.
This particle is used when talking about oneself, such as one's name, position, or occupation. In English, it can be thought of as a particle that appears where the verb be is used.
이.
This character is not a particle, but rather a letter that is used in front of verbs or adjectives to make pronunciation easier. The term pronunciation helper is not an official term, but rather a phrase I came up with to make it easier for you to understand. Korean has particles that indicate the subject or topic of a sentence. They are as follows.
은. 는. 이. 가.
Beginner Korean learners often find this aspect difficult, so I want to use more intuitive terminology instead of grammar-specific terms. The speaker marker only refers to the speaker themselves. In English, it can be helpful to think of the particles un, noon, as indicating the subject of the sentence, with the verb be following the particle. The particle e is not used as a speaker marker. Instead, the particle ga indicates the subject of the sentence, with the verb do following the particle. The usage of the topic marker is similar to that of the speaker marker, with the difference being that it indicates the topic of the conversation rather than the speaker. There are cases where e is a particle, but it can also be a pronunciation helper used to make pronunciation easier. Therefore, I created the term pronunciation helper to describe it. So, let's go over it again.
제 이름은 마이클이에요.
The speaker marker was used to describe oneself, so the particle un is used as it follows a consonant. Since it is not describing an action, a linking verb be is used instead of a do verb. Therefore, the particle used is un, not ga. The particle e is positioned in front of verbs rather than nouns or pronouns. Therefore, this character is simply a pronunciation helper designed to make pronunciation easier. I'm 해수.
저는 해수예요. 저는 해수예요.
Since the speaker has no final consonant, the particle nun is used as a speaker marker. Since there is no final consonant before the verb 예요, a pronunciation helper is not needed. You must be very tired, aren't you?
많이 피곤하죠? 많이 피곤하죠?
Verb or adjective combined geo means aren't you? Yes, I'm a little tired.
예. 조금 피곤해요. 예, 조금 피곤해요.
So, rest well.
그럼 쉬세요. 그럼 쉬세요.
The bedroom is this way.
침실은 이쪽이에요. 침실은 이쪽이에요.
As the bedroom is not related to the speaker, the topic marker is used. And the be verb is used, and since there is a final consonant, the marker un is used. A pronunciation helper is used because there is a noun with a final consonant before the be verb. The shower room is over there.
샤워실은 저쪽이에요. 샤워실은 저쪽이에요. 이쪽,
This way.
저쪽.
Over there. Good night.
안녕히 주무세요. 안녕히 주무세요.
I've marked common Korean greetings with a percentage sign.
안녕히 주무세요. 안녕히 주무세요. 잘 자요. 잘 자요. 편히 쉬세요. 편히 쉬세요.
Thank you.
감사합니다. 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 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. 고마워요. 고마워요.